Hey there, lead physical scientist. Look at you. You've made it through the entire course. You started as a brand new novice scientist, and step by step, lesson by lesson, you built real scientific skills. And now, you're right at the finish line. This isn't a lesson, this is your quick wrap up before the end of course assessment, or EOC for short. Just a quick check-in to make sure you know how to review and what to do next. So here's the deal. The only thing standing between you and officially becoming a master physical scientist is that EOC. But don't let it intimidate you. You've already done the hard part throughout the course. Before you take it, you should be able to say 3 simple things. I can use my study guide to review the big ideas and vocabulary from each unit. I can tell which topics I feel solid on and which ones I want to look at again. And I can make a quick review plan, like rereading specific lesson notes or rewatching a video so I can feel confident when taking the EOC. That's it. Those 3 I can statements, that's all you need. Here's how to do it. Open your study guide and skim through each unit. Notice what feels familiar and what doesn't. If something makes you pause or think, wait, what was that again? Just go back to that lesson. Rewatch the video, skim the notes, or redo the practice if you want a quick refresher. You don't need to revisit the entire course, just the parts that require a quick touch-up. Keep it simple, be consistent, and stay confident. Once you've reviewed the study guide and taken a quick look at anything you wanted to revisit, you're ready. You've already built every skill the EOC will ask about. Take a deep breath, trust what you've learned, and when you feel prepared, go ahead and begin your end of course assessment. You've earned this, and I can't wait to see you on the other side as a master physical scientist. And remember, lead physical scientist, the world is full of mysteries. Stay curious, keep exploring, and unlock the wonders around you. See you next time at the Institute of Physical Phenomena.
Hey, hey.